Hi, doing a short video how to add the wind deflectors, OM wind deflectors on a Mercedes METRIS. So it's a really easy do-it-yourself job, and yeah, let's start with it. So first step is clean the window, because it's going to be right under here. It's easier to do it right now, just with one of those fancy towels like this. Next, open the window, I would say halfway, to clean that edge all around, just like so. Now open it completely. Okay, so we take the wind deflector right now and line it up right here, straight, and push it inside like so. So the main thing is to have it on that part right here. Just make sure it is like this and not hit something in here or is completely deformed in another way. Also make sure it lines up nice right here. Push it in, and over here, if you hold it with a little bit pressure, you see this is the part we have to work on. So for that, easily just take both hands, push it, strap it a little bit like so, and get it in and up. So, and you're almost done. So let me get the measuring tool to show you how to work with that. So that right here is that little fancy tool Mercedes provides you. So just make sure that you're fully in, like so. Push it and make sure you're in the right way. So, and what I do, I'm going like here, get it in. Hard to see. Where's it? Where's the tool? Right here, in, and I'm going around like so. Make sure it's fully detached. And also right here, get down. So, and like I said before, your main focus should be right here, to have this one nice and flush sitting on the outside tube. So what we do now is we close our window in I would say 1 inch steps. So looks good. Comes up nicely. And it's completely in. So, that's pretty much it. Wind deflectors installed. So what you should do right now is do not open the windows for at least 24 hours. I mean, the other side is the same weight on this side, obviously, and just let it sit there for a while. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment sections, and if my video helps you, leave me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.